Hi and welcome to Wrexham Volkswagen. My name is Shannon and today I will be showing you around this brand new Volkswagen Arteon R that's just landed in our stock. This model is a 2-litre petrol automatic fastback 4Motion that is done in Moonstone Grey paint. As this is a brand new vehicle, you do get your 3-year manufacturer's warranty as well as 1-year breakdown cover. So if you'd like to find out more information, then please give us a call on 01978 340 600. So on this video I'll be giving you a 360-degree walk around and then I'll jump inside and I'll go in further details. So firstly, a great benefit on this car is your headlight washer jets, which will ensure you have maximum efficiency during all weather conditions. Next, taking you around, we have these upgraded 20-inch Estoril black diamond turned alloy wheels with the blue calipers, making the car look incredibly sporty. Then we do have your electrically adjustable heated and folding door mirrors, providing additional safety for your vehicle when parked in narrow areas. We do also have your heat insulated tinted glass in the rear and side windows. Then taking a look inside the rear, we have your upgraded carbon optic black nappa leather upholstery with the blue contrast stitching running down the seats. We have so much leg and headspace available for your rear passengers travelling in the back, and then we do have an armrest in the centre seat for additional comfort for when only 2 passengers are travelling. And then making my way to the back, you do have a camera both front and rear, as well as your front and rear parking sensors to ensure parking up is as easy as possible. Then you will also benefit from an electric tailgate, which we can access via the key fob. So this is really handy for when you arrive to the car in a rush or with your hands full. And then as you can see, we have a huge boot space available. You could easily fit in a few large suitcases. Then you do also have the option to fold down the rear seats if you did ever require more space. And then to close the boot, we just simply press this button. Then pan around to the side profile, so your tinted glass will offer you extra security for your belongings stored in the back. Another added benefit does include your keyless entry, which is again really handy for when you arrive to the car in a rush. So then taking a look inside the front interior, we have your R Performance leather wrapped multifunction touch sensitive sports heated steering wheel, followed by your premium front heated sports seats, which are also electrically adjustable, that will offer you the most comfortable position during every single journey. Then another added benefit on this car is your panoramic sunroof. This is the perfect addition for them warmer journeys. It floods so much light and air in. So that does conclude the first part of the video. So the next part I'll jump inside and I'll go in further details on the interior features and technologies. So jumping in the driver's seat, we have your multiple electric mirror and window controls found in the driver's door. Then moving up, you'll find your central locking. Then another great benefit does include your automatic lights, which will ensure they're always on at the correct times. Then moving on to your multifunction steering wheel. So here we can access all your car's functionalities without having to remove your hands away from the wheel. This does include your adaptive cruise control, which is great for them long stretches on the motorway. Then using this R, we can access your dynamic chassis control with your different driving profiles. This is designed to enhance your driving experience. This is a fantastic feature to have. And then using the controls on the right, we can flip through your digital dash display. This allows you to customize the information you view to enhance your driving experience. As you can see, we do have a heating function for your steering wheel on there as well to keep your hands nice and cozy during them colder mornings. So using the controls, we can shift through different important driver information. Next, moving on to your infotainment system. So here we can access all the car's functionalities. So I'll just go through a couple of the options that are available. So going into radio, we do have your DAB and FM radio for your music and entertainment. Then we have your Bluetooth Connect, so you can pair your phone to the car, which will allow you to make and receive phone calls on the go. Then we do have your App Connect, including your wireless CarPlay, so you can pair your phone to the car to stream your music, maps, contacts and messages. And then we do also have the benefit of your satellite navigation that can be displayed either in your cluster or your infotainment system. So we have a 3D map to support you plan your routes. And then as I did mention, we do have your camera both front and rear to help you with parking, as well as your front and rear parking sensors that will give off an audio warning. So here is the camera from the front angle. This would ensure you'll never need to worry about parking again. And then this car does also have your ambient lighting, so we have your customizable colours to choose from. So this looks amazing during the darker hours. It's a great feature to have. And then we do also have your climate control, so both yourself and your front passenger can be in control of your own temperature settings to save any future arguments. So you can access this via the screen or the touch sensitive controls just below. You've got the fan speed in the centre, as well as your 3 points front heated seating to make sure you're nice and cosy in the colder weather. And then moving down, we do have your keyless start as well as your automatic gearbox. You've got your park assist button on there as well to support with parking. Some hidden cup holders and electronic park brake for added ease. We have 2 USB ports underneath your armrest to charge your media devices. So thank you for watching this video on this brand new Volkswagen Arteon R saloon, which includes a 3-year warranty, as well as 1 year's roadside assistance, along with additional benefits and flexible finance packages available. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, please contact us now on 01978 340 600.